Hey guys, it's Matt Pittman of Meat Church here in our flagship barbecue supply shop in Waxahachie, Texas. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to make one of my favorite tailgating appetizers, which also is great for a football watching party at the house, smoked buffalo chicken dip. This recipe is so simple, it's honestly a stretch to even call it a recipe. It's 4 ingredients: 2 cups of chopped chicken, a half a cup of buffalo sauce, we're using Frank's, half a cup of ranch, and 1 block of cream cheese. Today, I started out by roasting a whole chicken. I seasoned this with the gospel and smoked it at 425 degrees on a Traeger for about an hour, and then I chopped 2 cups of meat out of that. You could buy a rotisserie chicken if you want. And then after I chop this chicken, I'm gonna put a little more gospel in it to give it a little more flavor on the meat. Mix it up. And you don't have to be exact with this. We're going with a half a cup of Frank's buffalo sauce. And then half a cup of ranch. Lastly, we've got 1 block of cream cheese that we've softened just a little bit, and we've got to mix it all together. All right, once you've got this nice and combined, you just want to put it in any sort of vessel that you don't mind putting in the smoker. I'm going to use a number 5 vintage Griswold cast iron skillet. You could also just use some sort of disposable pan. This is really easy, like I said. We're just gonna smoke this at 350 degrees with hickory for 20 minutes. We're gonna head outside to our Traeger timberline and get it rolling. All right, guys, like I said, we're running 350 degrees with hickory on a Traeger timberline. You guys could cook this on anything you want as long as it's indirect. We're gonna let it roll 20 minutes. We'll be back, and then it's gonna be time to eat. All right, guys, so we're coming in off the grill where we were just around 20 minutes. Time is not, super important. You're looking just for the color that you want. Make sure the stuff is nice and melted. So now we're gonna garnish it. You can choose what you wanna garnish it with, but I like to use a bunch of blue cheese. If you like blue cheese, this is great. If you don't, go with cheddar, or something else, or, nothing at all. And then I want a little green for the contrast. So I'm gonna go with some green onion. Some people like to use a little bit of cilantro, and this is just to make it look pretty, get a little contrast in there. Man, it smells amazing. All right, it's time to eat. So I'm gonna go with some tortilla chips. You could go with a heavier pita chip, whatever you want, obviously. Smells really good. I want the big bite with the blue cheese on it. I'll tell you what, I ain't mad about that. That's good. Real good. If you guys like this video, subscribe to our channel. We're just trying to inspire you to get outside and cook something. See you guys next time.